going to Shanghai, China. See you there. We're crossing a road. We're getting to the Yuan Garden, Yu Garden. Here is the entrance. This is the traditional Chinese art. Chocolate Museum. It's raining here. Kalampat na naman nito. Wow! Lots of food. Yan. Oh my God. This is crab. Oh, fishes, seafood. Yan. We are here at Yu Garden. Look. Spectacular. Here we are at the Yuyuan Garden here in Shanghai, China. Okay, let's start a journey here at Yuyuan Garden. Here it is, the spectacular garden here in Shanghai. Ikot mo na pang-picture na. Ayan, tanong niya mo.
欢迎您乘坐本次列车。列车运行前方到站是济南西站，本次列车全列禁止吸烟。
王景怎么扫？拿这个二维码到那边，它是哪个二维码？
济南西 Railway Station.
不是，你是怎么扫？你是扫完以后，你又直接，你是扫完以后拿了一张券，然后再这张券再到那边去付款吗？
Today is our first day in Beijing, and we are staying here at the Inner Mongolia Hotel. And this is what the hotel looks like. Nice, very cute, very nice. The chandeliers. Here it is. Here we are on the JADE factory.
How to make economy is within 4 steps. First, choosing raw material. Second, designing. This is a third step economy. Vegan master is making the specialty J factory. Never go to university or training school. They learn this common skill from their ancestral layers totally. How many balls? Generations. 12 houses stand for 12 months in a year. This one just like a family. It means can bless your whole family members with happiness, harmony, and union during the whole year. Surface recap the traditional pattern. Dragon and phoenix stand for ample and emprise, also just like a couple. Outer layer, every generation protected from the generations. Article. It is science
This is the money dragon.
Never go to toilet. Only money come in, never goes out. How to put it? We must put them out. Face the main door, but inside. That means bring more money in. Sometimes I would like putting on the feet. Rolling cash, put his mouth. Okay, look at this poster, please. This is the HNG processing flow chart. In addition to use patterns, step by step, quick power, they come into slowly. JADE has a several thousand years history in China. Different dynasty has different typical JPs, can reflect Chinese culture and Chinese history. So many top quality J pieces. Right now already became priceless. Later, let me show you how jewelry is from.
Paris, France.
How about you? JADE. Jewelry we use to make into some jewelry. We use soft jade to make into some gestatiers. Now look at this photo, please. Have you ever seen this photo before? Yeah.
In the village Xi'an?
No, Xi'an.
No, Xi'an.
Yeah.
Xi'an.
Yeah. He was crazy about the jade. During his whole life, he collected so many jade pieces. Yes, Chinese government already limits many output. Money come in, rub the butt. It really works. Rub the butt. Okay. Since you are from France. Switzerland. How about you, sir? Where are you from? Everything cool. Yeah. The second method is if you quite so pure and light. If you check it carefully, you will find air bubble or tiny air bubble. That is the artificial one. Not real well. Uneven texture. And higher pitch, beautiful music. Or silver or clear, because high density. Now scratch. Yeah. See?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, yes.
Now this is all the methods distinguish real from fake.
visit is the most famous one. It's called Beiijing Great Wall. Number one, most popular, most crowded Great Wall. And of course, normally it's 1 hour and 45 minutes inside the palace. It's not included. Okay, and also for the Great Wall, we call it cable car. 22 million people. And 20 years ago, population is
22 million
only 11
people
million.
in the city of
Okay?
Beijing.
And so there's a dramatic change, of course. And you see, of course, everybody, our tour onwards, we will try our best to make sure that you enjoy the tour as much as possible. Okay? And well, you see the roads, the street, airport, subway. There's a city mayor hotline for Chinese people. Anybody passing by, you can call the hotline. Within 20 minutes, it'll be. I want to let you see it, everybody. Nobody can go inside now because of the forum. And that's the most we can do, of course. And we can see only part of the building because of this international forum. That's the real background. You can see that. So, 那就咱们这样，那就咱们去东华门。And you can see nobody can go inside. Okay, everybody, that's the most. This is a political place. It's not a tourist place, frankly speaking. Whenever there's an important event, it'll be closed temporarily. So that's the most we can do, everybody. And of course, now we have to. What I said first, it means if you really, I don't want you. It means if you really want to, you can go to. The only thing is people on TV. Lots of time we call it the Hamley Peace Gate. So that's why, you know, the square to the south of it is called the Hamley Peace Gate Square. And also history extension of China because we have 5,000 year long record history. And opposite the National Museum, that's the Parliament, also with the flag on. The Parliament and National Museum, both of it built in 1959, which was the 10th birthday for PRC, People's Republic of China. So in order to celebrate the 10th anniversary of the founding of PRC, we had 10 grand building finished in 10 months. Okay, so that's why we are very proud of it. Okay, Chinese people for a long time, I told you that, you know, we were suppressed by the powerful country in the whole world for more than 100 years long. So finally, 1949, we drove the enemies out of China, and we denied the unequal treaty signed between the Royal Family and the invaders. So we were very proud. That's why. And they huh? That's Rossi.